we'll guide you through how to make comic background in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Illustrator and begin a new project. Choose New File to open the preset selection window. Then review the available document options. Select your preferred preset size and click Create to open the artboard. Once the artboard is ready, go to the toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Use this tool to create the main comic border that will frame your layout. After drawing the border, set the stroke color to black and the fill color to white. Adjust the stroke thickness until the border has the appearance you want for your comic design. Next, draw a thin rectangle across the artboard to define a line and help organize the panel structure. Continue by adjusting the border layout according to your preferred concept, arranging the shapes so they match the style and composition you want to achieve. When all border elements are in place, select every object you have created. Go to the Properties panel, locate the Pathfinder section, and choose Unite to combine the selected shapes into a cleaner structure. After that, switch from the Rectangle tool to the Pen tool. Move to one of the comic panels and click on a corner point to begin creating a shape. Continue drawing a tracing line by clicking along the corners of the panel, following its edges carefully until the path returns to the first corner and closes the shape. Once the shape is complete, open the Fill selection options and choose a color that matches your overall design. Repeat the same tracing and coloring process for each remaining comic panel, making sure every section receives the color you want. Take your time to keep the panel edges accurate and the color choices consistent with the visual style of the design. At this stage, the comic background is completed.